The following video is instructions on how to use the Aloha Takeout ordering system to take phone orders. The system will allow you to record information about the customer so that the next time the customer calls in, the information is immediately available, and if the customer reorders the same items, you are done with a few clicks. A typical phone order starts when the phone rings, and the words, "Takeout Order Queue," appears on the phone's display screen. Once you have verified that the customer wants to place a phone order, navigate to the order screen. Before you continue, it is important that this is a new order. Start by clicking on the Takeout Order button indicated by the red rectangle. This will take you to the ATO screen. This will open the ATO window. Just to the left of the keypad, with the red rectangle around it, is the caller ID box. You will use the information in this box to validate the caller by asking him to provide his phone number, and comparing it to the number in the caller ID box. It is a good practice to verify the person's name shown in this box. Once you have identified the caller and verified his name, click on the caller ID box. This will transfer the information to the phone number box. If this is not the first time the customer has placed an order, whether that be a phone order, a delivery order, or use the digital ordering system, the information will populate the phone number box. Note that not only does the phone number box have the customer's number, but the list box below the keypad has the customer's name and number. Also, the right-hand column now has several buttons that we will be using in a moment. If the customer information is incorrect, click on the Guest Details button in the lower right corner. This will take you to a customer edit screen where you can change things like the customer's name. Once you are finished editing, click on the OK button, and your changes will be automatically saved. You will then be returned to the ATO screen. Once you are sure that the customer information is correct and you are ready to take the customer's order, click on the Start Call button in the upper right corner. This will take you to the order entry screen. We will talk about how to complete an order and prepare for when the customer comes to pick up the order in a moment. If this is a first-time customer, when you click on the caller ID box, you will be taken to a screen where you can complete the customer's information. Note that the customer phone number has been transferred to the screen. The only thing that you have to add is the customer's name. Once that is complete, click on the Pickup button. The data you entered will automatically be saved and you will be taken to the order entry screen. We will talk about how to complete the order in a moment. When no caller ID is available, you simply do what the caller ID device does automatically. You start by asking the customer for his phone number and entering it in the phone number box. Note that the phone number box is an autocomplete input box. When you enter 719 and pause, the process will show all phone numbers that contain 719. If you enter all the numbers and the customer number does not appear in the list box, that means this is a new customer and you will be taken to the screen where you can enter the customer's name. Once you have completed entering the customer information, click on the Pickup button, and you will be taken to the order entry screen. We will talk about how to complete the order in a moment. When a customer makes a phone order, the information in this order is stored in the database, and can be used for future orders. The process for accessing this data, and using this information to build a new order is called repeat order. At this point, you should ask the customer if he is a repeat customer and find out if he was to make the same order again. If he is a repeat customer, click on the Caller ID button, and in addition to populating the call information, several buttons will appear in the right-hand column. If the caller wants to make a previous order again, click on the Repeat Order button, which will take you to the previous order screen. In the left-hand column of the previous order screen, you will see all the prior orders for this customer. Look at each order by clicking on it. When you find an order that is the best match for what the customer wants, click on the Start Call In button. This will bring up a new order form and add the menu information from the selected order. Note, if a menu item has been discontinued, it will not copy that information to the new order form. On the new order form, you are free to edit the order as necessary. The next section will show you how to complete the order. In this section, we will cover the complete process from when you are ready to start the phone order on the order screen, to when the customer comes in to pick up the order. Following is a typical phone order where the customer is a return customer who does not want to place a previous or repeat order. After placing the order, he will pay for the food in cash. We will complete the process by showing you what to do when the customer arrives to pick up the order. Start the order on the order screen, and click on the Takeout button. This will take you to the ATO screen, using the information in the caller ID box to verify the caller's phone number and name. Click on the caller ID box to show several buttons in the right-hand column. Click on the Start Call-In button, which will take you to the order screen. This customer wants a classic burger with fries, which we add. Once the order is completed, we once again click on the Takeout button, which takes us to the order confirmation screen. The order is read back to the customer using the information on the screen, including the total cost. At this point, the customer is told when the order will be ready for pickup and asks how he wants to pay. The order will be paid in the store, so cash is selected. When the customer comes in to pick up his order, you normally use his phone number to verify the order. To start the process, go to the order screen and click on the Takeout button. This will take you to the ATO screen. On the ATO screen, click on the Pickup button. This will list all the current orders. If the customer's order is not already selected, use his phone number to locate and click on it. In the right-hand column, click on the order details. This will take you to the Check Detail screen. Once you have verified the order with the information of the screen, click on the Tender button to complete the order.